In this video, we will explore Section Plane tool. It's really a great way to work inside the model without changing geometry, or you can represent your model in detail. First go to Tools and choose Section Plane. Now you can see a square shape attached to my cursor, and as I move cursor, it aligning with different faces. I am going to cut a section on this side. I choose this wall, simply click and release. It asking me to name it, type section A and symbol A and click on OK. I have created this big section plane. We can also move the section cut. Select the section plane and now activate the move tool. Click and release, and now move the cursor. You notice what's happening. You can see how my model is being cut into with that section plane. As I move the section plane back and forth, I am cutting through the model as I move through here. So I choose this spot, simply click and release. And now I would like to align the view. Right click and go to Align View. And go to View and uncheck the section plane. You can see the section plane is disappeared now. We can work inside the model. You can add any detail inside the model. You can work over here. Again go to View and check the section plane. And right click, go to Align View.